Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable Tpm 2.0 and secure boot Windows 11. So basically if you go to your PC help, if you have installed this one, you just have to go to start menu, look for PC help and then open this. Once you open this application, this PC help application, what you're going to do next is you have to click this check now. If you tap this check now right here, you will see if your computer is able to upgrade to Windows 11 or if it's capable to upgrade to Windows 11. However, as you can see, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. If you tap the see all results, you will see the reason why your PC doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. So in case one of the reasons here is that TPM 2.0 is disabled on this PC, then I'm going to show you how to enable this one. As you can see, it's now enabled on my PC. So if this one is the problem, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the very first thing you should do here is to exit this and go to recovery. Just type recovery here and then click open. Now you have to click this if you're having problems with your PC, tap this one. And then you have to look for advanced setup and then click restart now. Now I'm going to get my phone and record everything here. As you can see, it's now restarting. So you have to wait and then click troubleshoot, choose an option, click troubleshoot, tap advanced options here. And then you have to click this firmware settings, tap this one. Now click restart again. After that, this one will pop up, and what you're going to do is you have to look for this what we call trusted computing. If it's not in security, you have to go to advanced or go over here because it sometimes the settings and features are different. So for me, it's under advanced. Click this trusted computing and scroll down till you see this one. And as you can see, TPM 2.0 device found because it's enabled already. If not, then all you have to do is to click this one. If it's disabled, you have to click enable. As easy as that. So if it's disabled right here at the button, just double click and then tap enable. So if it's disabled on your computer, if you see this one under advanced, you see disable. Double click and then tap enable. Tap save and exit and open your PC again. So in this case, you have enabled TPM 2.0 in Windows. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.